Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the Redgear Manta 2.1 keyboard and mouse combo. Now this is a gaming keyboard and mouse combination. That too, this is a special edition called the Tournament Edition, and there's certain features that make it stand out and make it peculiar for gaming. Some of which have been explained over here itself. So the backlight is a 3-color backlight. Then this has anti-ghosting for up to 19 keys. That's always a good thing. A polling rate of 1000 Hz. Multimedia keys, as you can see, they are mapped to the function keys. Double injection molded keycaps, which is always a nice thing. It's more durable. And lastly, Windows key has a lock function on it. When we flip this around, we can see more specifications regarding the mouse as well as the keyboard written separately. One thing that the mouse happens to be is optical, so that's more accurate compared to laser these days because the sensors have improved to that extent. Max DPI level of 3200. The switches are rated for 5 million clicks, and apparently this too has some multimedia keys. We'll open it up and see exactly what that happens to be. It has a 1.8 meter long cable, so that's quite impressive. Usually you get 1.2 meters in most mice. Coming to the keyboard, you can see it is 3-color backlighting, as was mentioned on the front hand side. Same anti-ghosting feature has been mentioned again. The keys are floating, so that should help with faster responses, and if you are familiar with touch typing, that's something that can certainly help. Then you have certain shortcut keys mentioned for the different functionalities. So if you want to reduce the brightness or increase the brightness, then you should press the function keys and the page up or page down to increase or reduce the brightness. Lastly, for Windows lock, you should press function and Windows key to lock it down. This is always good while you're gaming and you don't want accidental presses of the Windows key. Let's sort of open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. So at the top you can see Redgear provides a little driver disk, plus this could be actually the software that allows you to control the lighting as well as the different customizations that you can perform. Aside from that, you have the mouse. Okay, we'll get to that a little later. The cable seems to be tangled underneath. Go, we have the keyboard first, and then you have the mouse. Some things that stand off are the keycaps can be removed, and these seem to be rubber dome keys. We can see them on the inside. You can place this back. Key structure is fairly simple. The cable is braided, so that's always good. A little bit of weathering protection will make this last for longer. And then you have the indicators for your caps lock, nums lock as well as scroll lock, with LEDs that should light up once this is plugged in. And then coming to the mouse, you have a fairly decent looking mouse with very audible clicks. 2 switches for the DPI, one to increase, one to reduce. The metal scroll wheel, which happens to be plastic underneath, but the top layer happens to be metal. 2 buttons on the side, one for forward, one for backward. The software might actually help you remap the keys. On the underside, we can see a metal surface with the sensor in the center, and there's some accents over here and here, as well as 3 over here on either side. These all should light up once you have this connected. So that was it for this quick unboxing of the Redgear Manta 2.1 Tournament Edition keyboard and mouse combo. Thank you for watching.